Doing some copper gutters today, right over there. Fascia copper. It's a beautiful, gotta wear some gloves, but we're gonna install it right over there. So take a look, and we're gonna use copper zippies, copper straps, copper downspouts. We also installed the copper brackets with a built-in screw, so everything's copper. There's no corrosion and no oxidation. It's gonna look nice. All right, so up on the roof, we got our copper gutter. It's gonna go right here. So here we go. And the gutters are done. Copper gutters installed. For some reason the house is tilted that way, so I have to lower the gutter a little bit. You can see the roof line, but most people don't like water, but maybe I gotta raise it up. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. Let me know what you think. Internal brackets everywhere. Let me see if I can show you. But another beautiful day, a beautiful view. Let me show you. View, show you. Right there. Show you chicken almost. Here's another view. We actually put a plain square downspout right here. So folks, to get this angle right here, I did 1 inch and 1.5 inches. So basically the same measurement as your elbow A. Except with the elbow B, you will get this extra slope. I figured with all this roof volume, it's a huge roof. I put an extra large outlet in there. I put a 2.5/8. And the downspout looks really beautiful. Lots of slope, and it will not clog. Beautiful roof, by the way. We didn't do that one, but yeah, looks like they got gutters and downspouts. Very beautiful. See their downspout right there. Looks really sharp. Very sharp angles. So it might clog in the future. So this project is done. Thank you for watching. God bless.